would like to say just a couple of words about how this entire project came about. BAK, Basis voor Actuele Kunst, is an institution that within the space of contemporary art tries to carve its own position that would connect contemporary art, contemporary theory with contemporary advocacy, art activism. We've dedicated a number of projects, research-driven projects, to try to build some sort of understanding as to what is the possibility of art vis-à-vis contemporary society. Of course, being placed in the midst of what we call the West. We acknowledge this perspective, and specifically within the project that we called former West, as the West that, in our opinion, should have emerged from gigantic changes in the world around the year 1989, but has not emerged. It is specifically within this project that we try to look at the relationship between art and democracy. We dedicated a number of projects next to it, such as exhibitions How Much Fascism, for example, or realization of a number of projects about live artistic and culture practices of Roma communities. However, there is one question that kept returning to our mind and into our conversation that almost got status of an anecdote. Each time we didn't know how to resolve certain issues, somebody would ask, yeah, what if democracy was not a show? And if you think about this question, it sounds very light, but actually discloses real set of complexities and problems that are related to the notion of representation, both when it comes to democracy as a political system, political ideal, but also when it comes to contemporary artistic practices. So the idea of a show, of an exhibition, and the complexities how contemporary art through exhibition relates to or resolves the issues or does not resolve the issue of representation. It's something that's been troubling us for long. I came with this question to Jonas Staal. And it was Jonas who immediately brought the discussion into setting up a new academy. A New World Academy, how he got to call it actually, for the inaugurating session of which we're gathering here. I think there's a very important reminder that comes with this idea of academy as a platform for learning, mutual learning, exchange, that is a long-term platform. So we setting up first couple of sessions here at BAK with enormous pride and pleasure. However, it is going to be a long-term trajectory. I think there's an important message in it that I learned from Jonas through dialogues and conversations in preparation for this project, is that to answer this question, what if democracy was not a show, as much as the question that is another important motto, what is to be done from the perspective of art vis-à-vis the conditions of contemporary society worldwide, that we cannot attempt to answer this question just once. That it needs to be a continuous process of trying anew to answer and struggle with answers, but keep trying answering that nonetheless.